Hello everyone, so today we are making this Nutty Buddy Shaker card for Dress My Craft Crown Season 2. This card has a lot of elements like paper flower making, die cutouts and motif sheets, and in this tutorial we'll be learning how to arrange all these. So first, let's have a look at the material needed. So first we'll be needing this 6 by 12 inches paper trimmer by Dress My Craft, which has both cutting and scoring blades and it can extend up to 17 inches. Next is this Easy Cuts machine by Dress My Craft. It is a die cutting and embossing machine. It comes with two acrylic plates. This is a foldable and portable machine. It's very easy to use. We'll also be needing this large funnel tray by Dress My Craft. Next is this Nutty Buddy collection kit by Dress My Craft. It includes a pack of two motif sheets, 6 by 6 inch paper pack and a 12 by 12 inch paper pack. Next, we'll also be needing beige cardstock by Dress My Craft. It contains 10 sheets of 250 GSM. We'll also be needing the circle chain border punch by Dress My Craft. This is how it looks like. These punches give a very beautiful borders to our cards. Next, we'll be needing these two dies from Dress My Craft. Next are these mini sequence family set from Dress My Craft. We'll also be needing fine tip tweezers and rainbow glitter from Dress My Craft. At last, we'll be needing this beautiful motivational quotes transforming sheet from Dress My Craft. So now let's start with the tutorial. First, I'm taking this beige cardstock from Dress My Craft and cutting this in the size 9 by 9 inches. And for cutting here, I'm using Dress My Craft's 6 by 12 inches paper trimmer, which is indeed very useful while making cards and scrapbooks. So this is done. Now we'll be scoring this from the center, that is 4.5 inches. And for scoring, we'll be again using Dress My Craft 12 by 6 inches paper trimmer, which has both cutting and scoring blade. And with this, the base is done. Now I'm using this Dress My Crafts circle chain border punch to give a border to my card. These punches look so beautiful and are very easy to use. So we'll just add the border to the whole side and this is done. Similarly, we'll be adding border on another side also. Now we'll add this white panel of the given measurements. Next, we'll be using this Nutty Buddy paper pack in size 12 by 12 inches by Dress My Craft, and this is the sheet we are going to use. And now I'll be cutting a window in the sheet of the given measurements. Now this is how the sheet is going to look. We have cut this window to add the shaker elements. On the top of the white panel, we'll also be adding a white vellum and glue them all together. I've also added acetate sheet on the window. Now we'll be using mini sequence family set by Dress My Craft. This is a pack of 12 jars and these are the 3 shades we'll be using to make our shaker card. Now just add the sequence on the card panel and paste the cardstock on the top. And with this, the basic shaker card is ready. Now we'll be decorating this using some other elements. And for that, we'll be using Nutty Buddy motif sheet from Dress My Craft. And these are the elements that I've already fuzzy cutted. Just keeping this aside, and now we'll be using our Dress My Craft's Easy Cuts machine. This is a mini die cutting and embossing machine. And we are going to use 3 petal flower die from Dress My Craft. This is the size we'll be using. First, we'll be taking this acrylic plate, then the paper, adding the die, and at last another acrylic plate and rolling this through the die cutting machine. And this is how we'll be cutting all the flowers and other elements we'll be needing to make this card. So here's the flower. Now we'll be coloring this using any watercolors. Here first I'm using Dress My Craft mini spray bottle to wet the flower, and now I'm adding a shade of blue. Now let it dry for some time and then we'll be shaping this. Now the flower is almost dry. We'll be shaping this. For this, just push the center inside a little bit like this. And now we'll be adding a small petal inside it and then a half cut pearl in the center. So in total, we'll be needing 5 flowers like this. Now I am using Dress My Craft rainbow glitter to add some glitter to my elements. Here I am adding glue to the elements using a paintbrush. And now just pour this rainbow glitter by Dress My Craft. Let it dry and then remove the excess glitter. You can see how beautiful these elements are looking after adding DMC rainbow glitter. Now we'll pour back this glitter in the jar by using DMC's funnel tray. Dress My Craft funnel tray are very useful as it saves a lot of your product. So here our elements are ready. Now I'm again taking my Easy Cuts machine and this foliage and leaf die. This is the leaf I'm going to use today. First take the acrylic plate, then the cardstock, put the die and roll this through the die cutting machine. And it's that simple to get such an intricate and beautiful design. And you can see how pretty it is. Now I'm using Nutty Buddy paper pack in the size 6 by 6 inches, and this is the sheet we'll be using. Now I'm taking Tropical Swirls die from Just My Craft, place the die on the paper and cut out the excess. Now again rolling this through Easy Cuts machine, and within seconds this beautiful swirl is ready. So with this all the elements for the card is ready. Now let's start decorating this. First I'm placing this white vellum. I've torn the edges of the paper to give it a vintage look. Now adding all the elements as per the requirement. Glue all the elements and this is done. This is how it's looking. Now we are just left with adding the text sentiments. And for that I'm using this transfer me sheet called Motivational Quotes from Just My Craft, and using the sentiment Stay Magical. Just remove the transparent liner and add this to the card. Now again I'm using Just My Craft's mini spray bottle to add some water on the transfer me sheet. Now slowly take out the paper, and this is how the sentiment is looking. You can see how beautiful this transfer me sheet is. Now I'm adding the sentiment Just Smile at the base. And with this, our Nutty Buddy shaker card is ready. Thanks for watching.